Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today is going to be a very important update again. We're looking at Pepe now, not Pepe but Bonk moving sideways at the moment. And is this the start of a dump? Is this the start of the correction that is posing as a threat or not? Now here's a trend line again, and let's drop in the trend line and let's look at the trend line like this. For some reason you can say that the trend line is being respected, but I would actually bring the trend line, give it a little bit more room in here, and actually just put it as this, right? So that's going to be 25 and 16, right? And then the current move, right? Let's look at the current move. Basically, do we spot any like first wave here, second one, maybe a third one, a fourth one, and a fifth one, right? Well, it doesn't really look clean to me. Okay, we're gonna actually ignore that for a second. I don't really see wave theory 5 waves, but what I do see here today is actually, if we go in here and we zoom in there, now we had a manipulation yesterday, because yesterday I showed you this sideways bullish rectangle, and you can see the break even happened, and I told you that if you go below it, it's going to invalidate the move. So here it is. It's almost as if the whales were watching my video and they decided, okay, you know what, let's just take this stop loss out, and then they even bounce back very quickly, and now we suddenly have a very different kind of a pattern. It's almost as if it's like this now, right? And it is almost as if we are looking at, maybe this is going to be the lower support line. So perhaps we could even see something like this come down to 2140 and then move to the upside again, come up to 2529, and that's going to be the resistance here. Make a fake out of that resistance and also touch this second resistance line that I showed you, and then it goes down. Right, so that's probably one thing. Another thing is, of course, and this is pretty much a very, very clear thing that I'm going to show you, and that is the 1 hour time frame has a bearish divergence, right? So higher highs in here, and you can see the lower lows going on in there. So basically, yes, selling activity is definitely going on. So I think your trade could be in two places if someone is looking to short. I think the best is to actually go to 2544. This is like the holy grail entry, the best one right there. Like, trying your trade in here can actually be so beautiful. Or secondly is, if we try to check this trend line, I'm going to actually stretch the trend line like this, and then we see the prices go down a little bit, break a little bit lower, retest, and then from there that retest can actually be another amazing entry. And that's it for this update on Bonk. I'm going to see you the next one. Love.